Well, this is Hound Dog Steve coming to you on July the 1st, which is Canada Day. So happy Canada Day to everybody. This is about 9:15 in the evening because it's about the only time of day that's been cool enough to come out and actually do something. It has been 35 degrees today, and the humidex pushed that up to around about 43 or 44 degrees. So it has just been a stinker. So here is my kayak project. I'm on about my third coat of varnish right now. My little chippy seems to be hanging around an awful lot more. It's amazing what a motivator food can be. Anyway, the greenhouse is working out very well and doing its job. The grapevines have now been transplanted and are merrily growing up the trellis. And pepper plant, I've got peppers on there already. You can really see the difference the greenhouse makes with the tomatoes. They just love the heat. And I've got some, I don't know if you can see down there, there's some tomatoes already on the plant. There's two plants with tomatoes on, but they are all flowering profusely, so I expect to be drowning in tomatoes quite shortly. And here's the other grapevine. It's looking in great shape. Anyway, I've just finished watering, but you can see the difference, I think, that hugelkultur raised beds make, because the surface of the soil might seem dry, but you go down 2, 3, 4 inches and there is still quite a bit of moisture down there coming off the wood, and the plants know how to send their roots down. They know how to send their roots down to get that moisture. So as you can see, the beets are looking great. I've been picking those just about every day now. The melons are coming along. They're just starting to really take off now. You can see they've got their little arms out there looking for a place to climb up, and I wouldn't be surprised in 2-3 weeks that they will be flowering for me. Lettuce, anybody want any lettuce? As you can see, this is going crazy. I've been giving away lettuce like it's been going out of style, and I still can't keep up. I make this mistake every year. I put what I think are just a handful of seeds in, and next thing you know, when they all come up and I separate them, I got way too many. Anyway, the kale is also, what would we call that? Abundant. Let's call that abundant. So there you go, and we still have July, August and September. That's 90 growing days left in the season yet. That's another couple of crops. Cabbages, you can see there, are just starting to ball, which is perfect. Broccoli, strong growth. It's amazing when, as I said, once those roots get established, it looks for a little while like there's nothing happening, and then all of a sudden, boom. And I can tell you, using the worm castings as manure, wow, that is powerful medicine for your soil. Now this is an area I haven't watered at all, and you can imagine from the size of these sunflower plants and the leaves all perked up, they're obviously getting water from somewhere, and this is the, again, hugelkultur method of gardening. But yeah, this is a very healthy crop of sunflowers, and again, you can see by the size of the stem, you can imagine how much water that is drinking every day, and we literally haven't had any rain at all. We had a little dump about a week ago. We maybe got a quarter an inch of rain come down, and that was it. And so as I say, I haven't been watering the sunflowers, but they are doing extremely well. Now you can see the peas are coming into flower, and I'm just starting to get my first snow peas. A few extra cabbages down here. You can never have too much cabbage. So yeah, we'll be eating lots of peas soon. Now I should have replanted these beds in potatoes, but it has just been so dry. Anyway, the treatment on these two beds is complete. You can see all of that hot mustard is buried inside of the soil, and all those volatile oils will be compounding with the soil and combining to get rid of any kind of fungus. Now I will admit my potatoes are not doing too well. They again are a very big drinker of water, and yes, I just don't have enough water to water the potatoes. Now fortunately there will be still growth going on underground because they are a tuber, but yes, rain gods. Now the onions like it kind of dry. They're still doing extremely well, and you can see that there are no issues with the onions. Yeah, we're getting into that twilight time, and the fireworks are starting to go off. Now the cilantro is just flowering out, and that will be turning to seed, so I'll have all of my seeds for next year. And same with the dill. But these herbs have made salads a yummy affair. The herbs have taken pretty good. So all in all, I'm pretty satisfied with this year's garden. Anyway, I'm going to sign off before we lose the light, and I will be going down to the locks to take a look at the fireworks with everybody else. I may even take my video camera and see what it looks like on video. Anyway, this is Hound Dog Steve signing off for July the 1st, Canada Day. Please have a wonderful and safe weekend, and we will be talking to you very soon. See you now. Bye-bye.